Hey everyone, this is TechWizard and in today's video we'll be making a new command. So all those who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and push the bell icon to get notified about new uploads. And without further ado, let's get started. So first I created a new file in the utility directory named as NUKE.js, and then we'll import the message embed property from discord.js library, and then we do our module.exports thing for our command handler. So we do module.exports equal to then curly braces, oops, the name of the command, which is going to be nuke. Next is a description. Nukes are given chat, channel, or whatever you wanna say. And the next is the run property. So we do run async, and then we sync client message and args. Oops, I can't spell. Okay, so client message and args, then again curly braces, and let's start. So first you're gonna check for permissions, that if the author is using the command have enough permissions or not. So if not, member.message.has permission. This little exclamation right here is the symbol for not. So if not, the author who is using the command has the administrator perms, he'll simply return a message saying you do not have enough perms to use this command, or something which lets the author know that he must have a specific permission before using this command. So we do return message.reply, and then whatever you wanna write the message as. So simply write you do not have the perms to use this command. Okay, so the next thing would be creating defining the reason. So it would be args dot join. So whatever the argument the user gives after using the command name, that would be the reason. So if the user does not give a reason, we'll simply set it equal to no reason. So these little lines represent the or symbol in JavaScript. So basically if this thing is not happening, the second option will be assumed. So in this case the reason would be no reason if the reason is not defined. And so then we are gonna check that if the current channel is deletable or not. So we could so if it's not deletable, we could say this channel cannot be nuked. And next thing is we're gonna define an embed, but before that let's make the basic nuke command. So we do await message.channel.clone. So this dot clone property is the discord.js property which lets us easily clone a channel, so we don't have to go through the process of creating it manually and checking for positions, etc, etc. And then we could simply do message.channel.delete. So after cloning we could delete that channel, and then we are defining a new embed. So the title of the embed would be channel new. Next comes the description property. So we set a description for the embed, which would be this chat or this channel has been nuked. And next I'll attach an image to the embed just to make it look better. If you don't want it, you can always remove it. And I found this on Google, this GIF link. Okay, and then we're gonna simply send this embed to the newly made channel. So first we're gonna have to define that channel, the newly made channel, as something. So we define it as let new channel equals to await message.channel.clone. and in that channel we'll simply set that embed, and let's see if it works. So going into my console and going into my bots directory, you see that our new command is ready to be used, and let's test it out. So going into Discord, so I type some random messages and then use the new command. Let's see if it works. So yeah, it works. It simply cloned that channel with the same name, and that channel got deleted and this newer one was created. So we defined the reason, but we didn't use it in our embed. So let's use that reason in our embed. So we could use it at the place of description. So we do set description and the reason. So the description would be the reason provided by the author, or it would be no reason. Oops, let's get rid of this error and let's save it and run our bot. No dot, and there are no errors in the console, so let's proceed. So now if I did nuke, as you can see, we didn't provide a reason, so it defined the reason itself as no reason as specified by us earlier. And now we are gonna use the nuke command with the reason. So let's see if it works. So we did nuke testing, so the reason got defined at the description, and yeah, this is the pretty much a basic nuke command. If you want to add something, you can. And that was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you need help with any of the previous videos, make sure to join our Discord, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.